So hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and first of all happy Gandhiji Day to everyone. So today we are going to make this Gandhiji model. So we will start with the head. You can also use the automatic quilling tool. Secure the end and we will give it a shape using a quilling mold. We will total need 2 types of coil like this. Glue it and secure the shape. So now we will make the body. So first we will give it a shape using the quilling mold, and then with our hands. Glue inside and secure the shape. Now we'll make the legs. I have already made a small coil like this, so we can attach it like this. Secure the shapes. I have cut a very thin strip of brown paper to make the sandal design. Now stick all the parts and complete the leg. Now we will make the hands. Glue inside and join both the parts. It will look like this after completing. So now we will make the stick for the hand of the Gandhiji. I have already made a similar coil like this, and now we'll attach it. Now we'll connect both the parts of the head. So now we will join all the body. It will look like this after completing. Do the extra editing of Gandhiji. First we'll add the clothes. After adding more strips, it will look like this. So now we will make the face of Gandhiji. I have already made eyes, nose and ears of Gandhiji. Now we will make the specs of the Gandhiji. Here also I have used thin strip of black strip. I have also added the mustache, so it will look like this after completing. Now we'll add the stick and the base. So guys, here is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. If you like my ideas, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Thank you for watching. See you soon.